morning, dears. Welcome back to our maths online class. Are you ready? Okay. In the last class, that is the first online class, we started to study our first unit, joining angles. In that class, we studied from the three angles in the same vertex, largest angle is equal to sum of the two smallest angles inside the largest angle. Also, from the three angles in the same vertex, if the measure of the largest angle and one of the smallest angles are given, then one of the smallest angle equal to largest angles minus given smallest angle. Okay. Today we can continue the unit. On both sides. Page number 9. On both sides. Here you can see an angle. Which is that angle? Angle CAB or angle BAC. This is angle CAB or angle BAC. What is the measurement? Angle CAB equal to 90 degree and the mark shows the measurement. Okay. Then draw a line from A to D, that is AD. Draw a line from A to D, that is AD, and make another two angles. If we draw the line AD, then there are formed two angles. Then how will you draw AD? AD is drawn at an angle 50 degree at A. Draw a line AD that makes 50 degree angle in AB. That line is drawn inside the given angle CAB. Once again, here given angle CAB, the measurement is 90 degree. The mark shows the measurement. Draw a line A to D, that is AD, which makes an angle of 50 degree at AB. Like this. Here, largest angle is angle CAB. Inside the largest angle CAB, there are two angles, angle CAD and angle DAB. Angle DAB is the angle which we made now, that is 50 degree. Then to find the another angle, another smallest angle, then subtract 50 degree from 90 degree. Then because 90 degree is the largest angle and one of the smallest angle is 50 degree, therefore another smallest angle is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree, that is 40 degree. We find angle CAD. Then extend A to E on left side of E. Left side of E. Extend the line AB to the left of A, that is AE. Here another angle is made, that is angle CAE, that is 90 degree, and there is a mark that shows the measurement. Here the question is to find out angle EAD or DAE. Angle DAE, that is angle DAE. This angle. We have to find out the angle DAE or EAD. Look here. Avoid this AB like this. Avoid line AB like this. Now, you can find three angles, that is angle DAE, and inside angle DAE there are two smallest angles, angle CAE and angle CAD, which we studied in the last class. Avoid AB like this. Then you can find three angles, largest angle DAE, and inside the largest angle there are two smallest angles, angle CAE and angle CAD. Okay. Then angle CAD is 40 degree, which we find earlier. Then given angle EAC is equal to 90 degree. Then what is the measurement of angle DAE? Angle DAE is the sum of these two angles. Angle DAE is the sum of the two smallest angle inside that angle. One of the angle is 90 degree and the other is 40 degree. Therefore, its total measurement is 130 degree. Okay. Now, we can draw the same figure as like this. What is the difference of these two figures? Here, we avoid angle AC. We would not draw angle AC, the line AC. Here we avoid the line AC. Therefore, here are two angles that can be seen, that is angle DAE and angle DAB. Here we have to find out angle DAE. Here also we can see three angles, but you will say only two angles, that is angle EAD or DAE and angle DAB. No, there are three angles. One is angle DAE, the second is angle DAB, and the third angle is the largest angle from E to B. That means that is formed by these two angles. The largest angle from E to B is formed by these two smallest angles. Okay. That is, that angle can be seen as a straight line. Then, here I noted that angle as a red line. Then, look here. The third angle is from E to B and it shows an angle in a protractor. Protractor means the instrument we use to measure and draw an angle. Okay, this is the measurement of angle in a protractor, that is 180 degree. We already find what is the measurement of a protractor from 0 to 180 degree. One end to another end, 0 to 180 degree. Total measurement is 180 degree. Total degree is 180 degree. Then we already find angle DAE is equal to 130 degree. Check, is it correct or no? Here, total angle in a protractor is 180 degree. Given angle is 50 degree. Therefore, the remaining that angle is equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. Is it correct? Yes. Total angle is 180 degree. Given 50 degree angle, then the remaining angle is 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. Here is a third method, that is we studied in this chapter very elaborately, that as this method is very important for this chapter. Then you can see two angles, angle PQS, angle SQR, and a third angle from P to R. The measurement of the angle from the point P to R is 180 degree, that is the angle of a protractor. So we have to find out angle PQS. If we don't aware about the angles in a protractor, then what we have to do to find the angle PQS? For that, draw a straight line or a perpendicular to Q from T or from Q to T. Draw a perpendicular or a straight line. The perpendicular or a straight line makes an angle of 90 degree at PQ. The straight line or perpendicular line makes an angle 90 degree with PQ. Therefore, here angle PQT is equal to 90 degree. Angle TQS is equal to TQR is equal to 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree. From this angle TQR, one angle is given that is 60 degree. The other is 90 minus 60, 30 degree. Therefore, angle PQS is equal to angle PQT plus angle TQS. Angle PQT is 90 degree. Angle TQS is, we find here now, that is 30 degree. That is, therefore, total angle is 120 degree. Therefore, angle PQS is equal to 120 degree. Here, angle from P to R 180 degree. Given angle is here, angle from P, the point P to R, that is the angles in a protractor, that is 180 degree. Given angle is 60 degree. Therefore, the remaining angle is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. That can be found in this way also. From P to R, angle 180 degree. Angle PQS is 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Or angle PQS is equal to 180 minus angle SQR, the given angle, that is 120 degree. Example, another example. Here is an angle M, two angles MNP and PNO. Find angle MNP. MNP is total 180 minus 35, that is 145. Okay. Then there are 4 homeworks in your textbook. That is on page number 10. You have to do yourself. Okay. We can come to the point as if we draw a line from another line, then the sum of the angles on the either side is 180 degree. That angles are from the same point of the line. The two angles have same vertex. The two angles have same one line. Their sum is 180 degree. That type of angles are called a pair of angles, are called linear pair. Look here. PQS and SQR are two angles. These two angles are either side of a line. Then the two angles have the same vertex Q. QS is the same line for both the angles. These are the peculiarity of the angles we said here. That is, these type of angles, this pair of angles are called linear pair, and sum of the linear pairs are 180. Sum of linear pairs is always 180. Also, we can say linear pairs are supplementary. Remember the word which is very important for your USS exam. Supplementary. Supplementary means sum 180 degree. Then there's another word, complementary. Sum is 90 degree. Sum 90 degree. Sum 90 degree is called complementary, and supplementary means sum 180 degree. Two angles from the same point. These angles have the same vertex. One of the line or one arm is the same. Then the two angles are linear pair and their sum is 180. If you have given two angles are supplementary, then what's the meaning? The sum of these two angles are 180. If two angles are complementary means the sum of angles is 90. If we have given one of the angle of supplementary angle to find the other, subtract the given angle from 180. If we have given one angle of a complementary angle, then to find the other angle, subtract the given angle from 90. Only one have to remember supplementary means sum 180 and complementary means sum 90. Don't forget it. It is very important. That means draw a line PR and mark a point Q and draw QS from Q, or draw QS on PR. Two angles are formed, angle PQS and angle SQR. Angle PQS and angle SQR have the same vertex Q. QS is the same line or same arm for both the two angles. This type of angles or this pair of angles, two angles means pair. Pair of angles is called a linear pair and their sum is always 180 or otherwise it is called supplementary. That is angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to 180 degree. Angle PQS is equal to 180 minus angle SQR. Angle SQR is equal to 180 minus angle PQS. That means we can also find any one of the angles in a linear pair is given. When one of the we can find any one of the angles in a linear pair when one of them is given. If one angle of a linear pair is given, then another angle is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. Then take page number 10, angle calculation. First problem, that is to find angle ACE from the figure. ACE. Here also avoid CD like this. CD like this. You can see a linear pair. What are the angles in that linear pair? Angle ACE and angle ECB. Avoid this CD like this. You can see a linear pair from the figure. That is angle ACE. From the linear pair you can see two angles. Angle ACE and angle ECB. Okay, then you have to find out the angle ACE. Then the other linear pair, in the other angle in the linear pair is angle CEB. See, what is the measurement of angle CEB? Sum of these two angles. That is 50 plus 25, 75 degree. Therefore, one of the angle of a linear pair is 75 degree. The other angle is 180 minus 75. That is 105. These two angles are linear pair. For that, avoid this line. You can see the linear pairs, the angles in a linear pair. And the sum of the measurement of the angle is the sum of these two small angles inside the largest angle. That is 50 plus 25. That is 75. So therefore, to find the other angle in a linear pair, subtract the angle from 180 degree. That is 180 minus 75, 105. And the second problem that you can see in the text, find in the figure how much is the angle between the two slanted lines in the figure. Two slanted lines are formed between the two set squares. Slanting lines are formed from the two set square. In 6th standard, you studied to draw straight lines using set square. Set square is used to draw straight line. Then there are two types of set squares in your geometric box. One is small and the other is large. That means in the case of height. Then the small set square shows straight 90 degree, the other two angles are 45 degree each. Total 180. In the large set square, that means straight angle is 90 degree, on the right side 60 degree, top 30 degree. Total 180 degree. Here the picture is given like this. That is, here is 90 degree. Therefore, this is small and this is large. In the small set square, this is 90 degree. The other two angles are 45 degree though. So, this angle is 45 degree. In the case of the large set square, the straight is 90 degree. On the right 60, top 30. Therefore, this angle is 60 degree. These three angles form one angle, 2, 3. These three, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is the angles in a protractor, that is 190 degree. Angle 1 is 45, angle 3 is 60, total 105. Total 1 plus 2 plus 3, 190. 1 plus 3, only 105. Then angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 105, that is 75 degree. Here you have to know the measurements of or the angles in a set square. Then only you can do that problem. There are two types of set square. One has the angles 90, 45, 45 and the other has 90, 30, 60. Okay. Then there is another question, third problem, that is in the figure below, angle ACD equal to angle BCE, how much is each? You do it this problem as yourself. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay.